Hi, welcome to my garage, and it will be my studio soon enough. It's gonna take a lot of work. It'll be worth it. Man, there's a lot of, look at this stuff. I need to repair some ceiling. I'm gonna put drywall on the walls. All this stuff's getting out of here. I'm gonna get a shed. So a lot of this is just gonna be gone. Yeah, there's a lot of work to do. Gotta figure out, maybe build in some shelving. I might put a built-in easel for my daughter, as she likes to work on an easel. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Why do this now? Well, I started this channel like a year and a half ago. It's been great for my art, for getting me to work on stuff. Right now I just use the end of my dining room table, and so I'd rather have a space that's separate. I don't have an office. So that's why I'm gonna build this now. And you know, me turning 50 might have something to do with it too. You know, I have a lot of work to do to get where I want to be in my art, and I think that requires a space. Here's the thing that sparked some of this idea is I keep paper like this because I can make paper with paper like this. So that's how I make paper. And in here, well, I use old paper again. I use old paper, but I like this paper with the art on it. The art kind of shows through. Let me find some. So this is a piece of paper I made, and it has bits of art showing through. Using paper as the basis of my art. This is cool paper, but you know, I'm going to use that to make some more paper. That's kind of how I do it. Old comics. I use old comics for my paper making. There we go. This is a cleaner white. If you want to see where this goes and you want to see the work I make and the progress I make, just subscribe and stick around. All right, thanks for watching. I'll be removing stuff like this, getting rid of a lot of stuff. This whole wall will have drywall on it. Probably bikes will probably stay after I repair everything. I'm gonna put in walls here. Not permanent walls, just like walls on wheels or like office walls. Sound dampening walls. Yeah, that'll be, this area here will be probably my space. And over here will be my daughter's space. And she's gonna have a drum set. So we're gonna have sound dampening stuff. So yeah, it'll be a nice little space when it's all done.